Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can uninstall a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, here I have installed my secure folder on my Samsung Galaxy phone, and I'm going to uninstall the secure folder. And as you can see, when I long press on the secure folder, there's no option to uninstall it. But when I click on when I click and hold on the another application, there's an option to uninstall right here. And don't worry guys, because I'm going to show how we can uninstall the secure folder. We can go to our settings application, and we have to go to the security and privacy, and here we have to select the more security settings. Okay, and click on secure folder. In here you have to click on the more setting and click on the uninstall option. In here you just need to click on uninstall, then the secure folder will be uninstalled from your Samsung Galaxy phone. Oops, I'm going to check it. Okay, as you can see that there's no secure folder installed on my phone because I have already uninstalled it. Alright guys, and that's how we can uninstall a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.